What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. In case you don't know me, my name is Eric. I've been trading prop firms for over 3 years, almost 4 years now. And this is my journey of me trading my 10 funded accounts with Apex. However, as you see in the title of this video, I no longer have these accounts because I got moved to a live account. Got this email yesterday, and I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty surprised by it. I had requested that last payout of the 9.5K, and it took a while to actually get approved. If you followed my last video, I requested that last week, and it actually got approved yesterday. And then later in the day, I ended up getting this email from Apex saying that I had a notification, as you can see, and it basically told me that I'm being moved to a live account. This was after just basically 3 payouts with these 10 accounts. Now, again, I've been trading Apex since I believe almost 2022, and I've gotten multiple payouts, but never to the point where I've made this much money from this amount of accounts so fast. Over the last couple months with these 10 accounts, I have made now over $22,000, around $22,000. So anyways, they decided to move me to a live account. I hadn't even traded on these 10 accounts since I requested that last payout at 9.5K. I made that request, like I said, last week, and didn't trade until yesterday, where I actually took a loss. So essentially, I had the account balance to around $3,000, took almost like $1,000 per account, which reduced my balance down to $2,100 basically. But took a loss yesterday, and then after that, now they tell me I'm in a live account. I have some mixed emotions about this overall. Like I said, I'm just a little confused on how I got moved to a live account so fast. I mean, this is the ultimate goal. They didn't give me much information about it. They just basically sent me an email that said basically this right here. It said, account, congratulations, you'll be moving to a live account funded program. And then it just basically deactivated all my accounts, so I can't even trade on these. And I have to wait until somebody from Apex reaches out to me to tell me what's next. So kind of in the blind, because again, I tried to look it up, but there's no real clear path with Apex showing you how the live accounts work or any information about it. And I guess that's because each individual account is different. So I'm assuming, obviously, this is the balance in each account right here is $1,797. So I'm assuming that they're going to give me a live account of almost $18,000. I'm hoping that they at least give me the option to take some money out as another payout. Because what I'm thinking is I would go ahead and take maybe a $10,000 payout, or maybe $8,000 payout, leave a $10,000 balance for the live account. But that's what I'm thinking. But overall, it's just interesting. And I guess I have to wait to see what Apex tells me and how the live account is going to work. But the reason why I don't know I don't know what's going to happen is because when you have 10 account eval account, or not eval, but 10 sim accounts that are funded, I'm able to trade very little to make a lot of money because it's traded across 10 accounts. So I make $500 on one account, I'm making $5,000 total. With a $10,000 one account, right? I can't really up my size that much with the live account. So most of my trades, I make $500 profit, but even on a $10,000 account, I don't want to risk that much. So I'll probably still risk one contract for 10 points, which would be my $500 that I normally get, but I'm not going to get $500 across 10 accounts, right? I'm only going to get $500 in one account. So that's kind of the cons that I see. And again, I have to wait for Apex to email me back. But the benefits, of course, and again, I don't know yet, but the benefits would be daily payouts. I can take that money out whenever I want, right? That would probably be the biggest benefit. The other benefit, of course, is, I guess, just growing that account slowly. And again, I don't know what's next, but as you can see, I put episode 1 here in the thumbnail, and I essentially want to make this a series. So what I'll do is I'll post another video when Apex emails me back hopefully it doesn't take that long. I really hope it doesn't, but it just sucks that I can't trade right now. It really does, because today my setup worked, which would have been another win, but I couldn't even trade today. So anyways, I know Apex, this is what they're trying to do, is get more live traders. And again, I'm fine with that. It is what it is, man. I made over $20,000 off of $650, but it is confusing that some people that might be affiliates and things of that sort don't get moved to live, and I'm getting moved to live, and there's not a lot of details about it. I just wanted to say too, that I will be going back to Tradeify. I'm pretty sure. That's why I was deciding to go ahead and get 5 accounts with them from the straight to funded. Just get, because I want to trade something. I need to be making money, right? And I don't know how long this is going to take from Apex to get me on an actual live account. It could be weeks, it could be a month. I really don't know. But again, I just wanted to show this too. This is inactive account now, and they tell me that the accounts are graduated, graduated accounts. That's what they are right now. But we'll find out as soon as I get more information about what's going on with this. I will definitely make a video and let y'all know. Until then, at least my payout was approved yesterday, but I still haven't got the notification that's been sent to my bank account. The other 2 payouts that I got were really, really fast. I guess this one took longer because they were evaluating my trading, and that's why they moved me to live. So anyways, once I get my payout, I'll probably go ahead and buy those Tradeify accounts, and then I'll start trading 5 accounts with them. The other prop firm that I was looking into would be Lucid as well. I don't want to do evals and stuff with them. That's why I'm just going to do the straight to funded. Obviously, those are a lot more expensive. So I want to make sure that I am doing it in a smart, efficient way. So once Apex sends me my payout, then I'll go ahead and buy those Tradeify accounts. So I hope this video can help people see, again, my journey with Apex and what's going on. And there's so many questions, like I said, with Apex and how they treat their live traders and all this stuff. Again, this was the dream, I think, that's for me, right? But I just didn't think it was going to happen this fast. I was picturing I make $100,000, right, on a funded sim account, and then maybe I get moved to live with like bigger balance or whatever. But we'll see. And I don't know what happens if I blow my live account. Am I done with Apex forever? Can I get evals again? I have so many questions myself, and I don't think anybody else on YouTube is actually showing this process. So that's why I wanted to make sure I post this video. If you have any questions for me, definitely leave them in the comments down below. I respond to everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and I will see y'all in the next one.